Guys, I am recording. This is going on YouTube, I know. So
I'm posting this one on YouTube.
So Eleanor just saw this glitched one and she was editing it. Alright. And it's going on YouTube. And I'm just getting ready for a jump set. Okay, if you see a three-headed massive beast looking thing, that is a glitched dog thing. This is called wobble dogs.
Be a wobble dog.
Be a wobble dog, sorry. So if you guys want to play this, you can.
You stinky.
Sorry.
You stink.
And let's see what rare dogs I'm gonna get. I'm just waiting for the jump scare to come. So if you guys see it at all, and I miss it, say down in the comments. But I would most likely see it. Leave down a comment below if you know what this game is and all that. Yep. And comment down below. Say hashtag and say hashtag God luck for me to get more luck for next time I play. And I will favorite the comments coming down below gets pinned or gets favorited and liked by me, the creator of the thing. And yeah. So in a minute, my friend should be joining me. Are you gonna join yet? When are you gonna join? I don't know. When are you gonna join? Okay. Have you guys seen it yet? I haven't. I really want a B-Dog, so I'm praying for the game to give me the B-Dog. I'll do anything for the game. I don't know if I should be saying that, but I will.
You would even reveal your whole entire age?
Yes.
Malcolm, it's me, Michael.
Oh my god, I can't believe how many views is that?
Michael,
To a six.
Is it really you, Michael? It's been 41 years, son.
Okay, guys. So in a minute, if I don't get anything good, I'm gonna just leave and rejoin. And, Are you gonna join yet? I need you to join me, please. I'm begging you to join. I closed the leaderboard, so if you're scared, you can. I didn't see it. Do it again. Do it again. Okay, guys. Can you please join now? Please. You don't get how much suffer I'm in, guys. Like, don't mind what I'm saying. Dog glitch, yeah.
Don't tickle me. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh my
This is
god.
going on YouTube.
What?
This is going on YouTube. Everything you say right here.
Daddy.
That's what she got. Say hashtag it. Say hashtag let us have it. Hashtag let us have for being green.
My
Hashtag green.
My
Oh my god. I got the Bubba Dog again. Yes.
I'm going to lick your feet.
I'm gonna tickle you.
Stop
it.
You're fast on this. Don't tickle me, you're fast on it.
I will ruin you. I'll fart on your pillow.
You're really pink eye, bro.
Don't care.
Bro, your blood is in me. What's that? Oh my god.
My car. Guys,
Peeing
look.
on me.
Oh
Yes,
no.
you are. You're peeing on me.
It's called rain.
It's called God's pee.
Get rain.
He killed me.
I didn't know this was acid.
Stop it. Stop. Stop it. Stop tickling me.
My inner demon's gonna come out on you. You know, yeah, you know I'm a calm person. Nah, You made me turn on TV. You know how I'm a calm? You're gonna make my inner demon come out and make me
You don't have
rage.
an inner demon.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. Have you met my inner demon?
No.
Yeah, you know how sometimes I get so angry?
Yeah.
Really? Have you seen... What's the maddest you've ever seen me? Like-
Not sure.
I snapped 5 pencils
Yeah.
because I got so mad.
Okay.
Is that the maddest you've ever seen me?
No, because I've never seen you do that.
Or like, I get worse than that.
No.
I would literally bend the knife.
They still can hear you.
What?
They still can hear you.
Stop recording!
No.
I'm going.
Okay, I'll respawn for you. I respawned.
What is it?
Nothing. It's a normal dog.
What's
It was
it
a normal, yeah, it's a normal dog. I was gonna say, oh my god, it's the rare one, the glitched. And then reset by controlling it. We'd be like, make you angry. Don't you dare do it or I'll tickle you and fart on your pillow. I will fart on your pillow. Do you want me to punch you in the head?
Guys, he's not a nice guy. He's not nice.
I am. This is just me when I'm annoyed and stuff.
No, I'm not annoying him. I haven't annoyed him at all. He's just faking being
No,
annoyed.
I am not, guys. Guys, hashtag friend or hashtag jet team. Either one. I don't care. I keep repeating myself saying all this stuff, but just say in chat. Which oh, I almost just respawned.
I'll imagine.
Don't you dare do that.
I'm gonna steal your pillow.
No.
1, 2, back on my shoe. Oh wait, what happens if I put that up there and then put the fan on?
But you're fine. Guys, do you see the... I don't even...
Oh no!
I respawned on you, haha. Guys, hashtag luck for me. Top hashtag luck, hashtag luck. Oh my god, it's red. No. Oh, I died. No, I died. I had the rest thing, right, guys? Sad. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh!
Let me see.
I had the glitch. I saw the glitch first. What even is this?
What does it say?
I don't know.
Oh, you're an idiot.
Oh, I got 2 abilities. I got 3 abilities. Spanish. Oh my god. So that's what that is.
No, it's not. Let me see when you vanish. What do you look like? Oh!
Candy. No. Hey, Eleanor,
What?
touch me.
Why? Oh my god, he's got a pink tail.
Just touch. You don't want. Just run into me. Just do it. Maka, you killed me. You killed me. How rare was that dog?
I don't know. I've never seen it before. Oh, she.
Careful with him. He's an old boy.
Look at him. Look at him.
I'm resetting.
Don't.
You got blue on you.
Oh, okay, reset.
Oh my god, look at my mouth. Oh god, why are you missing a tooth? I think they're getting drunk now. What is that monstrosity?
Hi. Mecca. You an itchy boy. Mecca, sit. 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 Sit.
I'm resetting for myself now. Shredding. Shredding. Not the other one. Totally.
Look.
He like it.
He loves it.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy.
Eleanor, I need you to play.
Why?
Do you want me to reset? I need you.
Why?
Luck.
What?
You're the lucky one.
I'm not.
You have the most badges.
I haven't gotten anything.
You have the I'm rejoining.
Be something rare.
Be something red. Be red. Oh, Fizz! Yeah!
What?
Fizz.
We got
Thank you.
something rare! I think Macca gave me his fleas.
Gone. My car's please. Cook them. Get him off my bed!
What?
Get him off my bed if he has
No.
fleas. Are you joking?
I don't know if he's got fleas. I think he does. This hand's been patting Mac behind his ear.
Don't do it. Don't! Not funny.
Hey, Macca.
Can you get him off my bed, please? If he has... He's deaf, remember?
Macca!
He's deaf. He's mostly deaf. What are you pointing at?
Macca! Macca! Hi! What are you doing?
Can you just pick him? Can you pick him up and put him on the ground, please? Come on.
Oh.
Good. Thanks. I can't pick animals up. That's just not what I got.
Imagine.
Get rid of the fleas. All the fleas must be gone. If I turn into a flea dog, I swear. Good. If I turn into a turtle, it'll be hashtag turtle tag. Damn it. What dog are you? I just saw the glitched one, did you? I swear I just turned around and see something pink there. What is this? Nothing on her.
Well, you can look at my dog.
Yours is rare.
I know.
I can't remember the 6 seconds within 3 weeks. Cancer, heart attack, stroke. She's still paralysed in one side, still in a wheelchair.
Oh no, what's this?
I can't
Oh.
have a conversation with her. She's like 40 now. She's gone on and had 2 more successful grown-up kids now. But she's just got scared because they made her do. Oh no! Passed away. They had years, Sammy.
Hang on. Hey Google, what is playing? Good.
What?
Well, before I might have accidentally forgot to turn off my thing.
What do you mean?
What I listen to at night. Remember, you have to be appropriate. We're still recording.
Bum liquor.
Oh, don't, they're legit. I can hear you. I'm uploading this to YouTube. No joke.
I know.
I stole your kid. Look. Oh no, is this your favorite kid?
Yeah.
I can't drop him.
Please don't respawn with him in your mouth.
I can't drop him. I have to respawn.
Oh, please don't leave the game. My son in your mouth. Please don't.
Why?
Oh, please, I beg you.
Daddy, she rang me to tell me she was pregnant, and I've screamed down the phone.
What do I do with him?
Oh no, he left with my son.
On.
Finally, that son's gone. I can't, and I have to look after that grub. Wait, my son. Do you still have a son?
No.
Do not steal any of my sons. I can't dig anything else. Oh my god. I'm rubbing my bum all over the place.
me a rare dog, please. Please give me a dog that's not gonna blind me or anything. The glitch one would be goated, but not. Behind you. I'm behind you.
I swear I saw my dad.
Oh god.
Where's my dad? I haven't seen him for 50 odd years.
Mama.
Oh, I'm brother. Oh, Sissy! Sister!
Meow.
Sister, oh my god, it's you.
Meow.
I don't remember sister meowing.
Meow. Meow.
Sister, are you okay?
Meow.
Are you okay?
Meow.
Are you okay?
Meow. Meow.
No?
Meow.
I don't speak meow. Do you need food?
Meow. Meow.
Yes?
Meow.
Food? Meow, we want food. Help me. What the?
Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow,
Meow if you want food. Meow if you're not okay. Meow if you're okay.
Meow.
Meow if you hate me. Meow if you love me. Meow if you dislike me.
Meow.
Meow if you want me dead. Meow if you don't really want me alive. Meow if you want me alive.
Meow.
Meow if you're my sister. Or brother, whatever gender you want.
Meow.
Rusty!
Meow.
Rusty! Rusty! Rusty, go back here.
Ice cream.
You want ice cream?
Huh?
Meow if you want ice cream. What?
Ask him.
Okay.
Ask me. Meow if you want me to follow you.
What?
Say meow if you want me to follow you.
Meow if you want me to follow you.
Meow.
Where do I go? In there? Okay. Follow me.
Meow.
Let me in.
Meow.
Meow if you think I'm gay. Oh my god. I guess that's a yes.
Bark, bark, bark.
Wait, do you own,
Woo, 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 woo.
any ice cream?
What do you mean?
Do you have ice cream here?
No, I don't think, sadly.
I think I'm
Hello,
allergic to dogs.
Hello, son.
Why are you green? My dad's purple. My dad's blue. I don't know what you mean.
I'll need the cloud dog.
What?
I'll need the cloud dog.
Oh, Father, I miss you so much. I hope you come back.
Hello there.
I said my father was blue. Father? Is that you? That's the wrong one.
God damn it.
That's the wrong one.
Is it?
Yes.
I can't see.
It's World War II.
Oh.
What the hell is it? I'm a cigarette. I'm a cigarette. Okay, I'll help. Over here. Over here. Hang on. Oh my god, Dad! No! Hug me. Bro, hug me. How did you get extra arms, bro?
I don't know. Oh god, I can't see a thing.
Can you see me?
Kinda.
Oh my god, this is so... I've never seen you before. Bombastic side eye. Criminal... Oh. I'm a cigarette. I'm a cigarette.
It just killed your farmer. It just killed your farmer.
Hey Google. Play
Hey.
Poker Face.
No, we are recording a video.
Please.
It's fun. Not loud. Hell no. Back to the iPad. Police. Hello, it's the police.
Huh? Hey Google. Volume up.
That's all. That's how bad.
5. How
Yeah.
loud is 5?
You have to be able to hear us, remember? That's better. Come on, sit down, sit down.
They do in Texas place.
Hello, this is the police. Hello, this is the police.
Excuse you, I'm seeing the Poker Face.
Listen to me. Have you seen this guy with extra, like, arms on him?
That's my dad.
That's not your dad.
Who is that?
Most wanted criminal.
My dad's most wanted criminal?
Oh, him. No, he's not your dad.
Then who's my dad?
He's a wobble guy.
Really?
Yeah, he's a cloud guy. That can change his weather. You probably saw him in his second mood. Was there rain coming out of him?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's a cloud guy. He's been missing for a while.
What is he doing?
We don't know. He just went missing one day.
Oh, he's dead?
Maybe.
No, Father.
He could be alive. Don't worry, he knows where you are anyway.
What?
He knows where you are anyway.
How?
All cloud people have their secret ways.
If my dad was a cloud person, that means I'm half cow.
Yeah.
So, what's the secret though?
Anybody that's a cloud gets a tracker and the kids.
Oh, that's a little weird.
But it's a part of your body, somewhere inside. So it's just in case if they get lost, they always know where you are. So have you ever heard a beep before inside of you?
Of who?
A beeping noise come out?
Mm-mm. Yes.
That's a tracker, means he was close.
I heard it like just then.
It must be stuck somewhere or something. Oh, sorry, but that's all my time. I need to go.
Okay. Oh, he just died.
Beep, beep.
No, he can't read my poker face. She's got to love you. Gary Ma, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got to love nobody. Poker face. She's got me. She's got me back my poker face. Poker face.
Oh no, we're moving in from the body.
Cut up. Oh God. Who makes that song actually? I'll just put it on the food.
Yeah, well, kids driving, gets wintered every year.
Raise it, baby, stay with me. I'm loving Play the card
Ah.
start. And after he's been hooked up, I'll be the one that's on his heart. Oh, oh, oh,
It's cracked up.
oh.
Get up.
Show him what I got. Oh, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Get him hot. Show him what I got. Carry my, no, he carry my, mommy, thanks. She's got no blood like me.
Beep.
Did you get it?
You have a lot there. Beep beep. Okay. Eleanor. They're drunk or something. Oh no, they can't get drunk yet because Patrick isn't here. Emma! Have you heard anybody come in? I can't tell if they're drunk. Give me luck. Guys,
Somebody down that little.
keep going. There has to be more than that, right? Give me the rest of your luck you have. Do your massive ritual. Do whatever you have to do. Give me the luck, please. Guys, hashtag cloud, please. Please, Bubba Dog, I need it. I need it.
She's got to love nobody. Up,
You sung the wrong part.
poker face.
Mom. Alright, never mind. Dad. Alright, so never mind.
I'm making you money. I'm basically working for you.
She got. Can I please have a Coke, Dad? Can I please have a Coke? What? Not half, Dad?
Now, yeah. Does work pay for your phone?
Okay, guys, I give up. Please like, subscribe. Put notifications on. I don't upload much, but there you go. Go down in the comments if I should do this again. I'll definitely do it again tomorrow. Comment down below what your favorite part was. My friend's coming. I'm giving up, so I'm ending the video here.
What?
Ending the video because I give up.
That's again.
Bye, guys.
Your dad was calling you.
How long?
Your dad called you.
No. Bye, guys. Please like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and share this video to multiple people, please. Peace.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Womp.